Shout with joy to the Lord of the earth. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come to His presence with sounds of praise. Let your voice sing unto the Lord.
Thank you very much. The blessings that you have shared with me through your prayer, I will pray that they will be returned to you 100-fold. I can say this with great confidence because God, our Father, whose feast we are celebrating today, cannot be outdone in generosity. And therefore, in Diyos Gugma, the more generous you are, the more generous God will be towards you. And of course, I thank you for the gift of joy that you have shared with me. The gift of joy, and I will give you the proof of the gift of joy that you have given to me. I do not know where you stole that picture. But anyway, even if you have stolen that picture, you are all forgiven. I tell Edwin here that you must become more and more expert in media, in radio, television, and even in print media. Because the servant of God, John Paul II, has said one time that the social communication, radio and television are the new pulpit of the world. The reason why he said new pulpit, when the bishop preaches his sermon in the cathedral, probably at most some 2,000, 2,500 would be listening to you. But when Edwin speaks over the radio and appears in the television, about 50,000 to 100,000 will be listening to him. And now through the YouTube, the message will reach to thousands upon thousands all over the world. And so, Diyos Gugma must go on with the apostolate. Amen? Let us go to love and serve the Lord. Thanks be to God.
To the world without your love, because I serve, to love and serve you, Lord, to the mission, to the world, to build a family of love.